Hi dear customers, for our newest center-core machine, there is a very good advantage that I also want to explain to you. For this machine, now we can make number 3, number 5, number 8, number 10, I mean different size center core by one set machine. And if you want to, for example, now we have 4 pieces bobbin. If you want one bobbin made one size, for example, this bobbin made number 3 and this bobbin made number 5, and for another 2 bobbin, for example, you want to make one is number 8, one is number 10. This machine also can be done, but before you buy, you should let us know. Why? Because here is different. We should set up the program with full size in the same at the same time. You want to do full size, then we should make this frequency to be 12 pieces, because 3 pieces is one group with one program. So you just can make one size at the same time. For example, now in today I want to make number 3 center core. Then we should set up number 3 on the display. Okay, on the display we set up number 3. And then in today you can make the number 3 center core by these 4 pieces bobbin. Okay. And if you want to make, for example, tomorrow or this afternoon, you want to make number 5 center core, then you can set up the display for number 5, and then this is our standard model. If you feel you have always have a number 3 and number 5 center core, you want to at the same time to make both number 3 and number 5 together, then we must make 6 pieces frequency. This frequency 6 pieces here. If you want to make 3 kind of size at the same time, then we should set up 9 pieces frequency and 3 pieces program. If 4 pieces 4 size at the same time, then we must put 12 pieces frequency and with 4 kind of program. So by that way it can be done. But normally customer choose this standard model. Okay, customer choose this standard model. And then now let me explain to you for this machine. For this machine, for example, you can if you have a many order, okay, you can choose this big model. This big model we can set up, for example, this group for number 3, this group for number 5, this group for number 8, number 10, like that. Okay, and then control by the program. Okay, and then you can do this way. Okay, so this is the advantage for the size of this machine. And another advantage, let me explain to you in another video.